Today I'd like to talk to you about a tool called Symbaloo. Symbaloo is a free and easy way for you to share bookmarks and websites with your students. You can go to www.symbaloo.com to get started. Today I'm going to show you the process of logging in, creating your first Webmix, as well as how you can create bookmarks and share those with your students through Symbaloo. So I'll come to the top right and hit login. Symbaloo allows me to log in with Google, so I'm going to do that. You can alternately create a Symbaloo account for free if you'd like to do that. I'll sign in with Google, and you see I have some tabs across my Symbaloo now here, a home tab, a collaboration, and EdTech assessment. These are web mixes that I've already made. I can use the plus button to add a new web mix. I'm going to go ahead and call this test web mix. Add it, and now I've got a blank grid that I can use to add as many bookmarks as I'd like to. I come across a spot where I'd like to add a tile. Just hover there and I'll see a plus sign. Hit that plus sign to start creating a tile, searching for tiles that are already made in Symbaloo, or I can browse tiles that Symbaloo has made for me. I'm going to create a new tile first. You'll see that the tile starts with a default color of blue. I can go ahead and change that with the tile colors here to categorize those tiles. So I'm going to pick teal, and those are going to be all of my search tools that I'm going to provide for my students. So the first one's going to be, of course, Google. I'm going to leave that as a website. I have some additional options that I can pick from. If I hit that drop down, I can say that's a news source. That will bring in the latest 5 articles that news source has posted to their website. So let's say I put in time.com. That will bring in the most recent 5 articles that Time has posted to their website. A radio station is very similar to a news source. However, this is a way for you to bring in the 5 most recent podcasts, for example, to your Symbaloo page. And then Symbaloo does support some embedded items. So for example, if I have a Google form to go ahead and put in my Symbaloo page, I can grab the embed code from Google Forms and use this embedded option. I'm going to stick with website. Symbaloo automatically tries to generate a name for this tile. I'm going to go ahead and just call it Google. I can show or hide that text. You see that Symbaloo has also automatically pulled a image from Google to go ahead and try to kind of spruce up my web mix. I did say I want these to be that teal color, but right now that's kind of being covered by the icon. So you can choose to show that or not show that icon. That's up to you. I like it being there, so I'm going to leave it. I'll go ahead and save that. So now when the students come to this page, they can click that and it'll take them directly to Google. I can repeat the process for as many search engines as I'd like to. Once I've put all my tabs and bookmarks, places that I need my students to go on my Symbaloo, I come to the top, I hit share, and I have a couple ways to share this web mix. I can share it privately or publicly. Publicly means that other people on Symbaloo can find your web mix and add it to their own Symbaloo page to share with their students or whoever their audience is. I can also share it privately just with people that I choose to. I'm going to go ahead and choose privately and then hit share web mix. Now I have a few ways that I can add this to, for example, my Schoology page or any other page that I maintain. I can grab the link here and add that to my Schoology page as a link, or I can hit the embed code button down here and grab this embed code, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and go to my Schoology page and show you how I can add this onto Schoology. So now that I'm on Schoology, I will go to my course and I will press Add Materials, And I'm going to do this first as a file, link, or external tool, and I'll pick link. I can go ahead and paste that embed code right in where it says link or URL. I'm just going to call this Symbaloo embed. Display this in a new window. So now at the bottom of my stream, I will see here is my Symbaloo embed, so my students can get to my Symbaloo Webmix. I can also add this as a part of a larger page. And go ahead and say this is my Symbaloo Webmix and some directions. I'll go ahead and hit the Insert Content button, then Image or Media option, hit From the Web, then hit Media, and I'll paste this and press Insert Media. And I'm also going to use this display inline feature that I find at the advanced. That will place this Symbaloo Webmix directly in my Schoology stream, as you're about to see. So the advantage of putting this into a page is that I can add additional things right inside the page. So for example, you're seeing here my Symbaloo Webmix without any additional clicking. I could also have a set of directions, videos, etc. right underneath this on that same page, and it will all display directly in my Schoology stream. So that is a Schoology or a Symbaloo Webmix, how you can share that and how you can post it to Schoology. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.